So what you say you want if you dress up in a one?
Yeah, man. If you dress up, of course. Dress up for you one later and look nice. And I
Where
tell me
you
say you want
want
look nice.
you want to carry home to go show off with?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
alright.
you can't dress up for the one.
Alright, I got the 1 minute to talk about. You want one to carry go show off obviously. I'm my grandma, this you know. You old lady.
Most definitely.
Alright.
Babe.
Bernice.
So today on the Paarl, I have my grandmother, and she will be introducing herself for us today. Okay? So are you ready, Mama?
If you do. No, I want if you say tell me no.
Mama, what's your name? Introduce yourself for us.
I am Madge. Otherwise called Mama. 96 years old. Tell you when me born?
Yeah.
I was born 1925. The 24th of July. Anything more?
A long time ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
So since being born 96 years ago, what would you say has been your best memory?
It was, it's an uphill, ups and down life. It's a kind of it was somehow a ups and down life. A mother with 8 sons and 3 daughters. I am a true Methodist Christian, and that's it. For years, that's where I was born and where I am today. Anything else?
Yeah, so how about your experience growing up in Jamaica? Because your age difference is very different from mine.
Yes.
So what was it like for you growing up in Jamaica?
My dear, well, the thing about it was an ups and I will tell you again, it will used to be an ups and down life. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. And, you know, as I tell you, I have the but I try to cope with the situation whenever it comes mine. It wouldn't be always good. But I take the good and cover the bad.
And I do believe you because you're always encouraging me as well, Mama.
Okay, that's what I try to do, encourage the young people. And I wasn't the best, but I always try to be a good mother. Always, I love other people, children. And I used to take them to be mine. Okay?
Yes. So how would you encourage the younger generations?
To live good, live together, and work for the good of the best they can for the best of the country. We would love to see the country put away the violence and the crime, and everybody start to live as one, in unity, love, and strength. In unity, love, and if you have love, you can be strong.
All right, Mama.
And you will be strong. Love hangs all the laws on the prophet, and this is what I am living for. To be loved, and always love.
All right, Mama. So thank you very much for doing this video with the Paarl and with your granddaughter, of course, Mama.
Wonderful.
All right. So I hope whenever future generations see this video, they will get a little positive motivation from you.
Okay, I'll be happy. I tried to put it down well, as we talk already, and whatever. Just do me thing.
Yeah.
And remember, you always love to come and look into see my room.
Yeah.
You're always neat, isn't it?
That is true. Your bed is always neat, Mama.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. If me not do nothing more, me
Your
do
bed always make.
Yes, yes. It's a must.
Yeah. Well, thanks again, Mama. All right.
Yeah. Make me wish you no. I wish you all the very best in this life. Whatever life afford, I wish you the best. But above all, I wish you God's richest blessing. Amen.
Why did you tell me about the Rebecca thing again today?
Rebecca?
Yeah, when we find a partner like Rebecca and who?
Isaac.
Oh.
Isaac and Rebecca.
Isaac
you
and
will
Rebecca.
be like Isaac and Rebecca.
Alright. Thanks, Mama. I couldn't remember the one, so that's
Isaac,
personally for me.
Isaac and Rebecca try. Make it their poem.
Yes.
Okay.
We work on my poetry skills. Remember?
Yeah. Have it look good.
We're saying.
Me earring, me necklace, and the hair must always. I used to have the hair look in purple color.
For real, remember, man.
Yeah, that's how I used to have. She remember. That's how I used to have one. And it used to be the talk of the community. Everybody want Miss Margie style. We have my baby used to go get them.
Old woman like you in a purple hair.
Not anymore, thank my Lord.
I guess a career don't know.
No, completely. Completely. I don't have a thing left for a live. I wish I could have eat little food.
Yeah.
I wish I could eat the food. God no. You wonder, me ask him the question, so why me can't eat the food? You not answer me yet.
Mama, what is a bagel?
A beggar?
Bagel.
Brigal.
What is a brigal?
Me brassiere.
Oh. Oh.
I saw one old lady. I know one old lady. You see, if a girl you not go put on your brigal, so you must not say your brassiere in the talk. That's my brassiere, my dear. To him. Because me wanting to take the best care of him for big, you know.
I'm gonna go tell my husband say.
What your grandmother say.
Me remember.
She mama must take the best care of you, me granddaughter. You're one of the loved one.
You don't know. You finish?
I make more tea.
Just like that, do like Bernice. Me dey eat
I don't know more tea you make, boy.
No,
How you do?
33 minutes.
Me go and bite the bread now. And me go and put the cup on me now. Do like Bernice.
Who is Bernice?
Cliff wife.
Oh.
Your uncle Cliff first wife. His first wife. But she died.
You can come to it from there, man.
So big.
Yeah, man, true. Big, but connect. She was a nice person.
Nice.
Nice person, but I tell you.
But she did pass me all away, you know. She did pass me all away, you know, that they make me not go, you know.
Yeah, man. The whole why?
My little work family.
So, food is this.
You want to finish drinking?
Eh?
You want to finish